In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlinks in PowerPoint. Adding a hyperlink in PowerPoint is a simple way to make your presentation more interactive and more useful for your audience. You can use hyperlinks to send viewers to a website, a document, or another online resource with just one click. This is especially helpful if you want to share extra information without overcrowding your slides. To get started, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to add the hyperlink. First, select the text you want to turn into a clickable link. Make sure you highlight the exact word or phrase you want your audience to click on. Choosing clear text, like the name of a website or a short call to action, can make your presentation easier to follow. Once the text is highlighted, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This tab gives you access to different elements you can add to your slide, including images, shapes, and links. After clicking Insert, look for the link option and select it. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, this may appear as link or hyperlink, but the process is the same. A small window will open where you can enter the web address or destination for your link. In that field, paste the link you want to use. Before you confirm, take a quick moment to check that the link is complete and accurate. This helps avoid broken links during your presentation. After pasting the link, confirm the action to apply it to the selected text. Your text is now hyperlinked, which means anyone viewing the presentation can click it to open the linked page or resource. In many cases, the text will also change appearance, often becoming underlined or changing color, so you can easily recognize that the hyperlink has been added. If you're presenting live, it's a good idea to test the link before you begin. That way, you can make sure everything opens correctly and avoid interruptions. Hyperlinks are a great way to keep your slides clean while still giving your audience access to more detailed information when they need it. And that's all it takes to add hyperlinks in PowerPoint. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.